You may have certain things that you think are supposed to happen in your life. You may have certain goals, you may have certain timelines that you think are supposed to happen in your life, but then God comes in and redirects you. And you're like, wait, I thought this was supposed to happen by now. I feel stuck. Why am I going here? Why am I moving here? Why am I not moving here? Why am I letting go of this relationship? Why am I XYZ? I need to tell you this. This is all redirection. The only reason why you would ever have something happen, and I want you to adopt this belief system, the only reason why you would ever have something happen that seems out of your control or is not exactly how you wanted it to be or just turns out completely differently is because you are being protected and you are co-creating with the universe. You are at a level now of ascension and of spirituality that you are able to, you're not going to be played with. Let's just say it like this. You're not going to be played with. Your life is way too important to be played with, to be distracted, to be on the wrong path. Now, I know a lot of people do seem to have free will and can do anything that they want and seem like they could, go here if they want, go here if they want, go. You're not meant to do everything the way that you think it's supposed to be, because that is actually not the path that's for you. God's path for you is you being exactly where you're supposed to be at the exact time you're supposed to be there. Your only responsibility is to keep showing up for your intuition and doing your inner work and doing the work that you're meant to be doing and listening to the guidance. So if you're asked to release something, release it. If you're asked to show up for something, show up for it. Because this is how you align in your way to your unique design from the universe. And that's how you can trust that everything around you will move the way that it's meant to move. That's not your responsibility. If you want to create something, create it, but let go of the outcome, because God will take the wheel. God will show you where you're meant to be. You may think that your abundance is supposed to come from one direction, but then it comes from another direction. Honestly, I've come to a point in my spiritual path where everything has been given to me. I do the inner work. I do inner healing work. I face my traumas. I face my belief systems. I attune to my soul. I do the best that I can. I detox my body. I show up for my business. I show up for my passions. And I trust that God will show me what to do. Ever since I started doing this, everything that I needed came to me, not in the way that I thought it was going to come, but in the way that it was meant to come, because I'm co-creating with the higher forces. You're a part of a greater picture. So you have to drop your ego and your timeline and your stories about how you think something should be. Just trust that it'll be what it's meant to be, okay? It'll be what it's meant to be, and I know that this is for somebody today, so I hope it was for you. Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe. If you're interested in coaching with me or are resonating with my work, click the links below to see more about me. All right, have a good day.